Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. This video we're just doing the intro here in my shop. We'll be leaving here and going to my buddy's house and working on one of his cars. I work on these cars regularly. It's a 1969 Boss 429, roughly 13,000 original miles. We're pulling the motor out. The motor's never been out of the car. The reason we're pulling the motor, more so than anything, is it's had lots of leaks and it's getting to look kind of shabby, kind of like what I'm working on with Midnight here. Things are just leaking and it's deteriorating the paint, and it's just looking sad, and it needs a good refresh. We also had an issue in the summertime where it flooded, and we wanted to make sure that we didn't cause any damage to the engine. It wanted the hydro lock. We pulled the plugs out and flushed everything out, but we wanted to be sure we didn't hurt a good engine. So in the end, we're going to tear it clear down to the bare block. So enjoy, and thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and all that fun stuff, and we'll have some more content. We'll try to show you guys the car running and everything else. There should be some other videos on my channel of the car actually running. And we'll see you then. We haven't negotiated our rate for drag car work yet, have we?
I think it's more than plumbers.
It's time to unionize.
Yeah. it's technical work. There's probably more than plumbers make.
Yeah. Alright, now you do this one on this side.
Those funny car guys look for nothing.
Yeah.
Most of the team.
Not the guys in the big shops.
No. This is a pretty big shop.
About 60% of them work for friggin' nothing.
Yeah, if they're more dedicated than me and Adam, I can tell.
I'm gonna put a header here.
Well, the good thing is it's not really hooked or nothing. So if you needed to wobble it one direction.
Yeah, you need a wobble extension maybe.
How about this thing? Can you get that on it?
I could probably get that on it. You wanna hold it with that one?
I'll hold it with this one. You know what? Hold on a second.
Hey.
We don't need that in there anymore. The fuel pump's out of the way.
That was a header, not a fuel pump.
Well, it was hitting the fuel pump. That's why I went out of there earlier.
It's a 6-cylinder now.
You ready?
Yep.
It'll be like my Boss 151 today. I started it.
You remember the Bosch 250 that we saw on eBay? It was the same color as this with the 6-cylinder in it. Guy did good. He mocked it all up. Looked just like this car, except it said Boss 250 on it and had a 6-banger in it. Hey, that's an idea for my old truck.
Yeah?
Years ago, I had the 302 in here and he was doing something on it.
Alright, it's
and I
loose.
said, oh, I need to get it outside. Fired it up. Damn, this thing is running wrong. Got it outside. Well, it'll clear its throat. It'll straighten up. God, this thing's running wrong. Open up the hood and 4 of the spark plug wires are laying on the valve cover.
That'll do it. Every time. Well, that one actually wiggles. This one don't. We might.
That one was wiggling before.
I think we can get them out from the top side.
What's that?
Those
Long-
bolts.
The long bolts?
Yeah, because we can reach in from here and.
There should be enough room. If not, I can crawl underneath it with the car down. I can still get under here.
And actually, it can't fall down through there
You want to pull it
because
out
it's got these little teeth on the side.
Right.
Yeah, if you knock
That's-
the bolts out of there, it ain't gonna. That motor's not gonna fall out in the friggin' ground.
Good.
That's last words.
You heard him. He said it's okay.
Yeah.
And that's this one. There, it pushed right flush now. Will it wiggle out, you think?
Yep.
Alright, let's just leave it right there.
Yeah, you can reach down over the grill and pull them out from the front without those header tubes in the way. You can get to them.
Yep.
And they're both going frontwards, right? They're going out the front.
Yes. And they'll pull out this one. It shouldn't be bad.
Alright.
One has a washer on it, and the other one has a different style bolt head with a washer already on it.
Watch out coming through.
Happening.
It's about to get real.